State President ke National People's Party Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi habakan thoughting ek Bharatiya Janata Party kabala kop yo menteri rangba ba omdai banya khon na ki artali ki constituency henry udai banya khon bai tangna South Tura ula khot kalai ka BJP ba ka dei ka khla khlem bniat ka ba shukran henry kamle eiei ya ka new Dr. Kharlukhi ula kren chikilat pathai khubor hadin bolami na ka jingyalang banpen skame gi nongkit kam jong ka National People's Party na ka 17 North Shillong Block constituency.
See, these people, I don't take them seriously. How many times I have come up in the media, I told them toothless tiger. They just talk and not doing anything. I don't take them seriously.
Habakan thoi ka jing kena ka BJP ba ka jing syakam ubernat ka long ka jing sela politics u Dr. Kharlukhi ulang ba barok kila yo ya ka jing ring dur bat hatu ka parti ka kwa ban penlong MLA yo briu badle gitu gijat kam.
But the only thing is we have seen in the video. I have nothing to say on that. You have seen in the video. Well, if that bakan is for that, then I don't know what type of MLA they are putting. Then when you become an MLA minister, whole of Shillong you like to be like that. I don't want to say anything. Now is there. So how did you want to be mail? I will tell you what I've seen. You have seen, I think, all of you.
Is the NPP feeling threatened that Bernard is contesting against the Chief Minister?
You see, if we feel threatened, we will not fight the election of fact.